The Honor Win RT is a gaming-specialized flagship smartphone launched in late 2025. It is best known for being one of the first mainstream devices to feature a massive 10,000 mAh battery and an internal active cooling fan. It is positioned as the younger sibling to the standard Honor Win, offering nearly identical core specs but omitting some premium camera and wireless features to maintain a lower price point, starting at approximately $385 to $390. Here are the pros, cons, special features, and an overall conclusion of this phone. 4 pros. Industry-leading endurance. The 10,000 mAh silicon carbon battery provides exceptional life, supporting up to 16.4 hours of constant gaming or over 30 hours of video playback. Advanced gaming hardware. It features a physical cooling fan that reaches up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, capable of dropping core temperatures by up to 7 degrees Celsius during intense sessions. Elite display. The 6.83-inch OLED screen offers a staggering 185 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 6,000 nits, ensuring extreme fluidity and perfect outdoor visibility. Flagship performance. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 1 TB of fast UFS 4.1 storage. Rugged durability. The device carries a rare triple protection rating of IP68, IP69, and IP69K, allowing it to withstand high-pressure, hot water jets. 4 cons. Camera limitations. Unlike the standard Honor Win, the RT model lacks a dedicated telephoto lens, limiting it to a dual-camera setup, 50MP main plus 12MP ultra-wide, and 20x digital zoom. Missing premium features. It does not support wireless charging, though it retains 100W wired fast charging and 27W reverse wired charging. Bulky form factor. Due to the massive battery and cooling system, the device is relatively heavy, weighing approximately 225 grams. Slower data transfer. The USB-C port is limited to USB 2.0 speeds, which is slow for a device in this performance tier. For special features. Active cooling system. A physical fan integrated into the back panel draws in air to cool the CPU directly. This can reduce internal temperatures by up to 8 degrees Celsius under load. C/C battery tech. Uses silicon carbon battery technology, allowing for higher energy density in a relatively slim, 8.3 mm, frame for such a massive capacity. Ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. Features a more reliable and faster 3D ultrasonic sensor under the display, which works even with wet fingers. AI bass boost. The stereo speaker system uses AI to simulate a subwoofer effect, providing a much richer audio profile for media and gaming. Overall conclusion. The Honor Win RT is a powerhouse for gaming and endurance that successfully fits a record-breaking 10,000 mAh battery into an 8.3 mm sleek frame. It is a highly attractive option for users who prioritize battery life, cooling, and display speed over professional-grade photography or wireless charging. At its competitive sub-$400 price, it offers a specialized experience that is currently unmatched by other mainstream flagships.